Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Monday, September 23rd, 2024, and we're going to go ahead and do a live update for Bitcoin and overall the general market. First, we're going to go ahead and explain, since this is a new live streaming channel, we want to go ahead and explain the system that we use. We use here the Sigma Profits trading system. It's something we've developed over the last 7 years. We offer it on our website at www.sigmaprofits.com. It's $2.49 a month, and there's tremendous value in it. So let's go ahead and just give an overview of what the system does and how it works. And then in the future live streams and videos, we're going to have a little legend right here for anybody who comes in and wants to watch the stream or watch the videos that get recorded later. So it's pretty generally straightforward. We'll start off with there's two parts to the system. There's one that tells you trend, which is very important, and then there's one that tells you ranges, targets, etc. So it's essentially what we want to call this is a risk management system. So this product is to help you manage risk, which ultimately should lead you into being a consistent trader, resulting in profits. So our goal is to provide you something that where you can manage risk, and especially for the people who are new and looking to begin their trading career or to look into trading. I mean, this is probably the best way to begin. I wish I had something like this, but it takes some to sacrifice to create, lay out the foundations for others, and especially if they're willing to share it and bring it out to the public. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of go over it and show you guys what's up. Alrighty, so first, like I said, this is it's got a range and it's got risk management. So risk management would tell you, okay, well, trend's bullish, trends kind of iffy, stay out of the market, and trends bearish, which is essentially to sell. So green candles, those signify a bullish trend. So you see the green candles, the probabilities of price action going in your favor if you're in a long, or if you bought the underlying asset, is in your favor. So that's for green. Now white is going to signify that you want to stay out of the market. You essentially don't want to be in any trade. You just want to stay out of the market. Red is going to signify that it's bearish, sell, short, whatever you got to do. Now yellow is pretty interesting, because what yellow essentially is going to be, guys, give me 1 second. This live stream is looking kind of weird on YouTube. I don't know what's going on. Wow. Guys, give me 1 second. Let me just fix this real quick. All right, there we go. All right, just gonna give it a second. Let's see if the YouTube is acting right. So this is our first stream, so bear with us. But we hope to do better in the future and make this kind of more interactive and obviously more pleasing to the eye. So appreciate you guys subbing to the channel. Please like the video. Let's get out there. Let's do something different. Let's make it where people don't have to rely on a certain influencer to kind of tell them where they think the market's going, kind of wreck people that way. Let's provide a system, a proven system, which I'm going to give you guys an update every single day on what it's reading, what it's looking like. I'm going to primarily focus on Bitcoin, but this is made for general trading. So however you trade, whatever you're doing, you want to use this. Try it out. It's $2.49 for the month. Exceptional value. Try it out for a month. See how it works for you. See if it maybe changes your perspective on things. The ranges, I mean, that's just phenomenal. Like this is something that kind of really makes you see things in a different light. So once again, guys, green is for buy, white is stay out of the market, red is bearish, short, sell, whatever. Yellow is going to be trend reversal potential or continuation. So whenever you see yellow, you're typically going to get a continuation type of deal going on, or you are going to see a reversal. So whenever you see, like, let's say a buy after a bearish sell event, and you see yellow and then you see a buy, it's typically going to go and possibly test up to the top side of the range, which leads us into what's going on right now. So what's going on right now is that the range right now on the top side is 66,600, and you could just say 66,600. Just the extra bucks don't really matter. So yeah, so that's the top side of the range. The bottom side of the range right now is about 52,000. Now, is this going to be a lower high? Are we going to go and make another attempt to try to retest the top side of the range? Well, if we look at the candles based off the system that we have here, as of now, we have to assume that we are. If you were long, you went in long right here. You've been on high or low watch right here, and you're essentially still long. You have no reason really to get out. You see something like this, yeah, you're going to get out, and then here you go. There's your short. So one other way to kind of manage risk is when you see that the previous sell, which was right here, you can put that as a horizontal now. Now there's your resistance point. When you see your previous buying opportunity, which was right here, you could say it was somewhere around this mid 57,000s. You could put a horizontal right here, and now you have your range for anybody who's long. So once again, this is our kind of our immediate local range, and these are our macro ranges. The top side of the range and the bottom side of the range. So whatever side breaks, essentially you can kind of look at it as like, yeah, we'll test this immediately afterwards, potentially. And then it's all about, all eyes are on, is the range going to break? And here's a perfect example. Range breaks, we just maintain above the range, and we're just riding it up. That right there is how you essentially catch a nice move. So range break, we ride it up. You maintain all your risk management with breaking this range. As long as we're riding above the range, just hold on to your trade. That's just how it goes, guys. That's just how it goes. You might read a whole bunch of BS on Twitter, or X as they call it now, and you're going to have these influencers try to... You guys got to understand one thing, guys. There's influencers that work with exchanges. Their job is to look like a great trader. A lot of their their positions are actually fake. They're just paper contracts made by the exchange with a delta neutral aspect to it. There's been times where, people have caught, exchanges putting their influencers on the leaderboard. If you guys are part of crypto Twitter, you guys probably know who I'm talking about. So their job is essentially to draw in liquidity to the wrong side of the trade, and then they'll probably get a commission off of that. So just be very careful. That's why it's very important. Have your own system. Have a system where you can learn and condition your psychology to be able to managing risk. It feels really good when you're told, when you're looking at a system and the system's telling you, hey, there's no trade right here. So you can essentially go and focus on other things in life. And this is what we're doing. And going forward, any market updates, we're just going to go ahead and use the system. So we highly recommend you go over to our website at sigmaprofits.com and check it out for a month. We do offer a alert service where whenever the Bitcoin will tell us to buy or sell. We do offer a service. It's $99 a month. It's more of like a Telegram group thing, but we're not trying to be known for that. It's there if you want it. It's there if you don't want to set up a chart. If you don't want to do anything like that, you can just have that and kind of, you know, see it. The track record's been pretty good. Just go to past trades on our site, and you'll see the past trades that it's shot out. But if you want to do things yourself, if you trade other assets, if you're an options trader like on the SPY, you trade the SPY daily, this is a very good system to work with. So yeah, that's it. Currently, Bitcoin is within the range still on the daily. Looks like you know, longs are going to just hold their longs. You have to understand that where previous buy and sell areas have occurred based off the system, you're going to start noticing that that's where, especially if you notice price action doing something right after the system tells you, hey, you know what, probabilities of price action going up or down are going to be a lot higher. That's when real money actually went in or went out. So expect this area 65,000 to be defended pretty heavily. It was defended right here, right around the 22nd to the 23rd of August, and we essentially got a sell signal from the system right here, and we ultimately dropped down to the bottom side of the range. So phenomenal trade right here, 59,500 down to 53,000. This is how you do it, guys. And then your goal is to get yourself in the train of thought that you want to just do good actions. You want to do good trading. You don't want to just hop into the middle of because you read somebody's X tweet or whatever, and you just hop in then and there. You look at cross reference. You know, when somebody's telling you out there, hey, I think this is going to go up, guys, here's a full system right here. Look at where we at on the range side. If somebody's telling you, yeah, I think this thing's gonna go up, blah blah blah, or I think Bitcoin's gonna go up, man, that's it, we're going to 100K, and the price is up here on the top side of the range, I mean, be skeptical about it. This is here to help you. It's here to provide value for you. So we got that. Yeah, so Bitcoin currently, technically, it's bullish. I wouldn't recommend people to just buy blindly in here. I would probably start looking at the higher time frames and see what those are doing. Let's take a look at the 3-day. 3-day is, yeah, guys. I mean, it's potentially a start of something bullish right now. You know, we don't know yet, but it's looking like it. And the top side of the range on the 3-day is going to be just above $74,000. And here you go, guys. This is how real trading works. You get bullish setup right here, break the range, we're just above the range, you get to take a little break, you know, it's December 27th, New Year's, go and hang out, chill, know that this doesn't mean anything. That's risk management right there. You're not going to FOMO in and then get wrecked. It's just telling you, just stay out of the market. You have another opportunity right here at 45,000. Boom, break the top side of the range, just ride it, get out. We're at about 70,000. If you go down to the daily, it got you out somewhere around March 15th, which was right around here at 72,000. And ever since then, it's been really no trades. The daily is phenomenal for taking scalps. That's what we use it for. We mainly use it on the daily and kind of maintain a bias from the higher term time frames. But yeah, guys, right here, it's just been break even pretty much. Nothing really going on. You're just essentially break even trades right here, no trades, and bearish right here, ultimately paying you out. This one candle alone right here was from 64,400 down to 58,000. So phenomenal. I mean, in 3 days time span. Like, you just go down to the daily, you'll see the range, and that's pretty much it. Now, this system right here is not an oracle, and it's not meant to be treated as one. It's just a system to maintain risk management and to be able to manage around it. You want to put up a trade, take a look at the chart, see what's going on. When we stream these videos, or when we make these videos, we are solely telling you what our system is saying. The Sigma Profits trading system, what is that saying right now? Not what we are saying, not what our opinions are saying. Currently, right now, we have potentially something bullish going on, but it's not confirmed yet on the higher time frames. If we look at the weekly, guys. Probabilities of it going up right here on October 16th, 2023 at 27,000 was in your favor. And that's it. We broke range. We maintained above it. 1 week we were off. Maintain above the range. And then essentially in April it told you to get out and just ignore, take the rest of the spring and summer off. We had a nice little downside action right here, easy to manage risk. You can look at the daily and see how phenomenal that trade was. That trade came in on the daily. I believe it came in on the 30th or the 29th. I'm not sure, but you guys can check it out. Just go to our past trade section on the website. And so far, it's telling you that there is nothing really to be worried about from a macro scheme of things. You know, I mean, it is technically lower highs, lower lows. Some guys on X are talking about, oh, there's a higher low somewhere around here. I don't see it because there's no higher high. There's no flip. There's no trend reversal. We want to ultimately see a weekly close above this high right here. So preferably a wick above 65K. That'll do the job. So far, the high has been 64,725. So almost, but not enough. So let's go back down to the daily where reality is. Yeah, we're just trading between the range, guys. And that'll do it. So we're going to go ahead and be showing up over here. Typically when the market closes around 1 p.m. West Coast time, we're going to try to go ahead and have these live streams going up. And ultimately record these videos, that way you guys can view them and just create a library and try to create a track record of who we are. We are Sigma Profits. You can check out our website at sigmaprofits.com and go to our past trades section where you can see what this system has been up to. Currently it is holding a 57,300 buy on Bitcoin, and that is the current bias at the moment. So the system is currently stating that Bitcoin is bullish as long as it's above 57,300. Till then, just got to assume the upside. There's really not much else to do. I can show you guys the 4-hour, and 4-hour is looking like it's just been, for anybody looking to get in, that's why I'm telling you guys, for anybody looking to get in, there's no trade right here. There's nothing. So you're going to want to, ultimately you want to see yellow and then the buy or sell. That's usually what you want to see. But if we see red on the 4-hour, I would not personally use the 4-hour to be making trades. It's more of a risk management kind of time frame. So if you're, let's say, long from a dailies perspective, you can maybe take half the trade off, half the trade on, you know, but definitely don't use it to be to making directional moves unless you're just messing around or something. So yeah, guys, we are Sigma Profits. We have this product right here. It's our full range trading system. You can get it at our website. It's $249 a month. We do have higher tier pricing if you want to go for the 6 months or for the year, but we suggest you try it out. This is not made for everyone. This is made for people who actually take technical analysis and trading seriously, for people who actually want to learn how to trade, and people who take their trading seriously in the sense that they have and want a way to manage risk. And that's what this system does. It helps you manage risk. We look forward to making these videos in the future. We look forward to growing our channel, and helping ultimately people out going forward in being able to manage their risk and not just buying random areas because they read something online. So take care, guys, and we will go ahead and look forward to seeing you guys soon.